Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, all different stores, love to find the deals, sales, viral stuff I need, all that. So if you like shopping and all that, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my hauls. So, today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. This is from like 4 different stores. It's going to be a big haul, just so you're ready now. It's going to be a massive haul. So yeah, and if you hear thunder, it's because it's storming so bad right now, so lovely. But yeah, so this is a ginormous Dollar Tree haul from like 4 different stores. So grab a snack, grab a drink, and let's go. Okay, also sorry the lighting is bad, but I had to be in my room because yeah, it's storming so bad. So anyway, first thing is we got these binder clips, and they just say like to do today, urgent. Sorry, this storm. Today, to do, urgent, all that, and they're like multicolored. These are great for planning, so I wanted the multicolored because I only saw the black and white before. Then we got this little journal, Making My Mark, a guided journal for self-care, and I definitely love guided journals, and this one I've never seen before, so we got her. So I have a bag that I put everything into so I can like unpackage it and whatever. Then this notebook is new, and I thought it was hilarious. It says, Level Up. Anyone remember that Sierra song, Level Up? Anyway, so it says Level Up, and it's like, looks like a gamer, thing. Just line like that. I think it was so cute. So we got her. Then, I got some straw covers. I don't ever remember seeing these, but it's a smiley face, flower, was that a cloud, and then a cowgirl hat. I'm obsessed, so we got that set. And then I got this fruity set. Again, I don't ever remember seeing this. What is this? A flower, a peach, flower, cherries. Super freaking cute. So, I got that. Then, while we're on fruit, look how cute this notebook is. It says Squeeze the Day. I have to open this because I think it is so cute. When it's like wrapped in that the plastic, I feel like, okay. So, yeah, let me take this out of the plastic, because this notebook is so cute. Sorry, the rain is really pounding on my window. So, look how cute this is. And then the inside is so cute. Squeeze the Day on every page. Like, this is adorbs. So, we got her. Then, once again, guided journal. Brave, Kind, and Grateful. A daily gratitude journal by Jessica. Take 5 slow deep breaths, inhale and exhale in gratitude. So, guided journal, I love these. And for $1.25, yes. So we got her. Then we got some crafty stuff. I haven't seen this stuff in forever. So we got this, and this is imposed stickers. And then you get like a couple of sheets of them. You get all these stickers on them. How cute for scrapbooking, which I love to do. And then we have this one, which I do remember seeing like a year ago. We got this one. My whole room is shaking. I wonder if my computer is shaking. And then we got this set. So for $1.25, this is pretty like fun. If you guys want to see like crafting videos from me or whatever, let me know. I'm not an expert, but it is fun. Now, the rest of this haul is going to be all HBC, so let's get into it. Okay, I was so stoked. I found both of the new deodorants. So this is Paradise Breeze and then Island Crush. I was so stoked to find both at the same store. So I definitely love the smell of this. This, obviously, we know has all the wipes and stuff, but I want this one to come out with all the wipes and stuff, too. Yes, we got Paradise Breeze and Island Crush in the deodorants. So that is a fun new find. Then I got this Sophie jaw clip, which again, I have, since my hair is getting longer and thick again, I have to have the huge jaw clip. Sorry, my phone keeps going off station alerts. Jaw clips, so I got this really cute pink one. So I got her. Then, while we're on hair, these scrunchie, look how cute these are. So it's like a little, what is this? Storage ring. Oh, that's what that is. Wow. So it's a hair, like you get all your scrunchies, then you put them on this little ring to hold them. I thought this was a hair clip, but that's even better. So I got that one. And then I got this one with like the different colors and the star. So that's even greater that it's the elastics and the storage ring. So got that. Then while we're on hair, I love these. I wear these constantly. So I got another set for my vacation bag and sleepover bag. So it's just these bow knot hair scrunchies, 2-in-1 scrunchie with a bow. And these were at Walmart for like $4.98. So $1.25, yes please. So got both prints of that. Then I did get some juncture socks. Women's fit shoe size 8 to 14, which is me, extended size. I love when they do the women's extended. So we get the leopard and then the polka dot. 2 pairs for $1.25, yes please. So got those. Can never have enough socks. Then by Ioni, I got the blush cream stick and ruby because this was my favorite shade, so I wanted to restock. So I got ruby blush stick. Then I know this collection was super old, but I just saw it again. It's the liquid lipstick, comfortable, long-lasting matte finish Ioni Astria. Oh, that lightning was crazy. So yeah, beautiful pink shade. I don't remember this collection really, so I got, and that was the shade. So we got her. Then my favorite mood lip balm is the green and pink. So I got another one of these because I'm obsessed. I go through these like crazy because I use them multiple times a day. Then these are new. These are by Bella Pro Beauty Brilliance Makeup Blenders. 1, 2, 3, and you get 4. So these were, yeah, sorry, I don't want to blind you guys. But you get 4 beauty blenders, which is a steal. So yeah, I will open this. So hold on. So we get this one, this angled one, which I love. This one, and then like a mini angled. So 4 beauty blenders for $1.25. Not a bad steal. Let's keep going. So I know these are like kind of old at this point, but I got a drink cup. I don't ever remember seeing the purple little Stanley keychain. So I got the little purple one. Then, again, with the old collection that I'm just finding now. After Party Shea Butter Lipstick Sparkle Red. I never knew there was actual sparkles in it. So I had to grab this because it was sparkly. Like, I never knew that. So I have a garbage can in my bag. So here's what it looks like. I don't know if you can tell the sparkles in it, but I was like, yes. So I had to get her. So then this is a restock. These are my favorite hair scrunchies from them because they hold my thick hair. So restocked on those. Then, okay, these are new. So LA Colors Nail-tastic Glimmery Artificial Nail Tips. Twinkling. Nail glue included. So you get 33 nails, 30 nail tips, 1 nail file, 1 nail glue, and 1 prep pad. And then instructions are on the back. But are we kidding? Look how gorgeous that shade is. Color. So $1.25 for the glue, pads, nails. Great find. They had so many different shades too. Then, oldie but a goodie. The LA Colors Soothing Face Primer in clear. And the clear one minimizes pores, which I need. So I got this primer. I remember I tried the green one. And it was like a couple years ago. So then more beauty blenders, makeup blenders were in with the reusable bag, which I remember they had a different pattern and colors. But when I saw these were adorbs, and the bag is even cuter. So yeah, I had to get these. And these are perfect for travel too. Then we got some new stuff. Joe Boxer flushable wipes with vitamin E and aloe, protects from irritation and itching. 30 individually wrapped pre-moistened wipes. Joe Boxer. You can see these all over TikTok, and finally I found them. So you get 30 flushable wipes, aloe, and vitamin E. These ones. Then these ones are by Joe Boxer. Detoxifying Charcoal Face and Body Cleansing Wipes. Travel friendly. 30 individually wrapped wipes. So this is for your face and body. Removes excess dirt, oil, and other impurities. So you get 30 in here too, but these are charcoal. So I got that. And now we're down to 2 of our last bags. So let's get into it. So some hair. Sophie is one of my favorite hair brands from DT. I love it. And these scrunchies, hair ties, are so cute, and like the feel of them are so soft they won't rip out my hair. But these colors are adorable. So I got those. How many do you get in here? 10 for $1.25. So I got those. Then I got one lonely little passion fruit scented glittery hand sandy. It was alone on a random shelf, not even near HBC. I was like, alright. Then I was so stoked to find this. Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Jelly Water, all in one with charcoal, suitable for acne-prone skin. So the fact that this was $1.25 and you get 13.5 ounces, yeah. So we got her, which I'm stoked for. Then, I know this came out a while ago, but I don't ever remember picking it up or seeing it. So this is the 3-in-1 skin treatment tool, cleanse and exfoliates and apply mask. So battery operated, and I got purple. If I have it already, well then I'll give it to my aunt. But I was excited to find this, so we got her. Then, oh yeah, Stila, I know, is making a comeback. And Baki is my favorite, if I'm saying that wrong, oops. But Baki is one of my favorite shades. So I got another one of her. Then, Revlon makes its appearance in DT. And this is Rose Wine. Obsessed. So it's a red color, so I got her. Then this is one of my favorite primers from Dollar Tree, and whenever I see it, I snag it because I go through it. The Face and Body Illuminator in Golden Glam. Love, love, love this primer. So, and the last thing from this bag is the Plumping Gloss in Magenta. Magenta is my favorite shade. So we got her. Now we have made it to our last bag. Who would have thunk? So, Joe Boxer Ultra Skin Soothing Eucalyptus Face and Body Cleansing Wipes. So these are eucalyptus now, which I love for my skin, so I'm mostly stoked for this one. So we got those. Then I get Madison Tyler, another brand that I like. Look how adorable this hair clip is. Like, are we kidding? So I got this to hold up all of my hair. Got her. My cat's sneezing downstairs. Then Clean Color with the Plumping Gloss in 04. I don't ever remember getting this one. Look how adorable it is. Like the packaging, 10 out of 10. So got this Plumping Gloss. Adorable. Then again by Clean Color Lip Gloss. I don't remember this pink shade. This is Flamingo. I never remember this one. How adorable is one, the name, to the shade. Like, hello. So we got that. Then, the Real Technique sponges are making a comeback. Sorry, I don't want to, like, blind you guys. Making a comeback. I'll take it out of the packaging. These were my favorite thing when they came out forever ago. So now that they're back, I'm stoked. But they're just the Real Techniques, like, exfoliating and makeup sponge. So, got her making a comeback. If you didn't get the first time, don't worry, because they're making a comeback. How many times am I going to say it? Okay. Then we got some new skin serum. This is by Skin Nutrients Botanicals Glycolic Acid and Witch Hazel 2-in-1 Solution. Saw this one all over TikTok. So I picked this one up. I'm excited to try it. Nervous, but excited, you know. Then the Mood Lip Balm. I got the pink earlier, and now we got the green. These are my favorite freaking Dollar Tree lip balms ever. So, got her. Then, Miss Spa coming in strong with new masks. So this is Miss Spa No More Frizz Hair Treatment Mask. Helps fortify damaged hair and target frizz, restoring hair to smoother, more manageable styles. I'm excited for this because my hair, look at this frizz after I showered. So I cannot wait to try that. Then we're down to our last two. Oh yeah, I wanted to try the Paradise Breeze deodorant. I cannot wait to try these. So we got her that. Then our last item of this haul is the Freeman Pore Minimizing Mud Mask. Well, that officially completes my huge Dollar Tree haul, like 5-store Dollar Tree haul. I'm pretty stoked with what I found. I can't wait to find more of the stuff that's like everyone's posting on TikTok. So stay tuned for all that, hopefully. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely don't forget to subscribe and share the channel. Comment down below what you're on the hunt for, what I should be on the hunt for, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.